Okay, this is Australian dollar USD. And if you have seen my last video, then I had talked about this correction. So we are in the third wave. The third wave has already started, and this is a daily chart. And now we are seeing some corrections. Okay, so let us come to an hourly chart, and this will be more clear. So this is the first wave. Okay, just let me see. Okay, where is this wave coming from? Let me just delete this. Okay, now I think it's proper. So this is my first wave, and this would be like this. This is my first wave. One, two, 3, 4, and 5. Now, okay, so this is my first wave. That is, this is the part of the third wave, right? And I'll just go by wave by wave. And then we have this third wave. So third wave can also be marked like this: one, two, three, 4, and 5. So this would be minor, a different color. So I'm just trying to show you guys. Suppose this is an intermediate wave and these are minor waves: one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this wave has ended. And if you look at the intermediate wave, which is in bracket 1, 2, 3, and this would be 4. So the wave theory says once the 5 wave move is up, then the correction starts, which is in form of A, B, and C, and it will find support at the end of this wave. That is the fourth wave of the extension. These are all extensions. So most probably the support should come at this point. Now I go by this. So the first wave. This was the first wave. Look at the retracement levels: A, B, C, 61%. Right? Now the fourth wave retracement should be 38%. So this is the place where the retracement will be equal to 38%. So fourth wave retracement levels are 38%. Another way of looking at it is like this is the whole wave, and let us see where the 38% comes. This point would be 50%. So one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For this wave, the second wave would be 50% retracement or 61%. This is the first wave. One, retracement level is 61%. Take this as a separate wave. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The retracement level should come down to 50 to 61%. And in extensions, the support comes at the this wave, the start of the fifth wave or the decline, or the end of the fourth wave. So my support would be this. What will be my stop loss? My stop loss would be this much. This is my stop loss. This is my stop loss. The reason is the fourth wave cannot come within the price action of the first wave. So this will become my stop loss. Okay. So I'm still bullish on this pair, currency pair. I want this decline to stop somewhere here, 0.64155, and then the next move up should come. So this is my expectation from this point. One more wave should come. Suppose if this stop loss is hit, then this will form a triangle. A, B, this will be A, B, C, and A, B, and C, and then a new wave will come. But for the time being, I want this correction to stop at this much point. But it should not breach, it should not come within the price action of the first wave. The whole wave thing is very complicated, but I will explain this in one of my later videos. But for the time being, I want this correction to stop here. And the retracement level for the fourth wave should be this much, 38%. That is the ideal. It can even go to 60, 50% to 61%. But since this wave is up, I want to see. I want this to stop here. Another way of looking at it is, suppose this is first wave, one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then A, B, C, the retracement can come down to 61%. For this wave, one, 2, 3, 4, and 5, the retracement can come down to 61%. Let's see what happens. But ideally, you should stop here, 0.64129. You should stop here. And still, my view is bullish. My view is bullish. And let's hope things work out. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it should stop here. Okay. So that's all, guys. Uh, no, no, no. Let me see it on at a different scale. Let me see this at a different scale. See, another way of looking at this whole chart is, I have taken a new wave from this point. So this is my first primary wave. These are intermediate waves, right? Which are in brackets. They are called intermediate waves. And primary wave is this. So this was one, this was two, and now we are in the third wave. This is the third primary wave, of which the first wave is over. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. So basically, this would be an intermediate third wave at a higher scale. And now we are in the third of the third. So the third of the third should be very strong. This wave should be very strong. So right now it is correcting. Let's see. to what extent this correction goes. And let me just remove all this. Yes. So now you see this is the new wave. Earlier my stop loss was the this, because a new wave cannot go beyond this. So first, second, and now we are in the third wave. Now this wave should be very strong. I want this wave to be very strong because we are dealing with third of the third wave. So this should have very good momentum. Right now it is correcting, and after this correction there will be a huge jump. The real momentum will come at this point. One, two. This is one, two, and boom, kind of a move. Because that would be one, two, and three. That will be third of the third of the third. So I want to see a momentum in this. Let me see one more thing. I want to see the value of ADX. So ADX is already at a high, and this DMI and the PDI. I want to see this ADX, this red line rising, supporting this blue line. Let me see the RSI. 3, 4. One more boom in RSI. It should stop. Again, I'm back on my hourly chart. So so I want this correction to stop here, and the second is my retracement levels. This is one wave, one, two, three, four, and five. So I want this correction to stop here, and this is my stop loss. We should not go beyond this 0.63. An ideal retracement is 38%. This one was 61. This one should be around 38, and maximum it should go this much. Okay, so all the best. Take care. Happy trading. I'm still bullish on this. The next move, the up move will be the strongest. This move will be the strongest move. One of the strongest move, and you'll see gap up moves in this if this analysis is correct. Okay, subject to this analysis. One, two, three, four, and five. At least it will be like this: one, two, one, two, and then boom, up. I want to see this is a intermediate degree. I'm just taking it as an intermediate wave, and the third wave is this. Again, what I'm doing is one, two, three, four, and five. These are minor waves. So this degree wise, I'm doing it. Okay, one, two, three, four, and five. And intermediate waves are one, two, three. So I want this to stop here. Let's see what happens. I will update it tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So it's a pretty long video. Sorry, just bear with me. All the best.